CAD Center, with more than 3 decades of expertise in training, has meticulously planned this course for architects and civil engineering students. The key features of this course are: 1. The curriculum is custom designed for engineering students and professionals to meet the expectations of the design engineering jobs in the industry. 2. With the right balance of theory and practical, this course will ideally make them strong in design concepts and fluent in working with the software. 3. The course is NSDC approved and it meets the qualification of NSQF 5 and NSQF 6. This course is ideal for new and budding engineers as it bridges the skill requirement demanded by the industry and the academic syllabus. It helps students to learn real-world project execution using the software than academic theory. You will also learn the standards, process, and procedure required for an architect and its application using the software. All the above skills will help the students to be job ready and will become the top priority candidates during the interviews. 1. Students will learn the application of tools along with the concepts. 2. Hands-on practice with every key topic they learn. 3. Exposure to real-time projects like scenarios, which makes them job ready. 4. Live classes are conducted by certified trainers to ensure that the students get the best tutoring on the subject. 5. The curriculum is designed for international standards and it is universally recognized. CAD Center's curriculum and product development team has advisors from various industries. They periodically update the curriculum, introduce new concepts, and phase out redundant methods as recommended by the working professionals. The team works with software developers in parallel to introduce new features and techniques that augur well with the current and future trends. As I mentioned earlier, importance is given to concepts, practicals, and projects. Students will undergo projects as part of the skill development. These projects are in line with real-time scenarios and guided by subject matter experts. Apart from learning architectural concepts, they will undergo software training on digital drawing using AutoCAD, parametric 3D modeling using Revit, freeform modeling using SketchUp and Max for engineers, rendering using V-Ray or Lumion, BIM for architects. They will also be trained on estimation and simulation using 5D BIM as an exclusive subject. With our exclusive placement division Skill Lease, we train students on employability skills post-technical training, and qualified students are given the chance to apply for interviews in reputed architectural firms tied up with Skill Lease. CAD Center is the go-to training company to hire fresh graduates for leading architectural firms across the country. Students, after completing the course on Expert in Architectural Design, will be approached by various architectural firms, builders, and engineering services company for the post of engineering trainee, junior architect, draftsman, and so on. Experienced people will get opportunities such as senior architect or lead architect, team leader, etc. For more information on CAD Center courses, please visit cadcenter.com. Register yourself for a free demo. Thank you.